In this video, I'm going to show you how to add old film effect to CapCut video. So this is actually quite simple. First, you must import your video, so I just have one of my tutorials over here, and then if you would like to add the old film effect, you want to go to Effects up here, which is in the middle of these bars, and in here, you just want to search for filters and type in old and press enter. After this, a bunch of different effects will show up, as you can see, and this one, which is called old over here, it does not have the pro bar next to it, which means it's actually a free effect and does not require the pro version of CapCut to use it, is this one, and you simply want to drag it onto your video, and as you can see, if I play this video right now, it's got this old film effect on it, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. You have different ones down here as well, so if you scroll through, you have different old TV, and then for example, this one, and this one, so you can just choose which one you want. However, some do require the pro subscription of CapCut. So that's it. If you want to get the pro subscription, there's actually a link down below in the description, and you can check that out for a discount. And if you buy your pro subscription using my link, you will get a discount while doing so. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.